I just f***ing hit the wall.
What's good, fam? First video of 2022. Always wanted to do a day in a life where we order. It's Drip and Drip, baby.
Drip and Drift.
Good morning, guys. Day in a life. First thing we do in the morning is hit the gym. So, used to go at night for like the past 5 years. And when the whole pandemic started happening, started going super early in the morning. Haven't changed that since. So that's part of the routine. Early in the morning, headed to the gym. Being Dominican and Cuban, I was raised on some of the best coffee ever. I know all you white girls go to Starbucks and stuff, so I'm gonna give you a little pro tip. This is Cafe Bustelo. This is an espresso machine. Got it from Walmart for about 25 bucks, I think, maybe 30. But that's like a week's worth of your Starbucks, you know? Literally in 1 week, you could save yourself a lot of money and have some better coffee than Starbucks. I mean, don't get me wrong, I drink Starbucks, but if I have the ability to make it, ooh, I know it's gonna be better. Yeah, so pack it down. I do like to use the latte maker. Ease of time, we're gonna boil our oat milk. I usually get Simply Oat. For ratios, a scoop and a half of some raw sugar. So we're going to Best Buy to check out some GoPros. The Sony Action Cam is great and all. We're still gonna use that on the side of the car, but I want a dash cam that's not my phone, which is what we've been using, and it gets thrown around a lot in the car. I can't use all the footage from it, so we're gonna check out the GoPros. Still got a couple hours till we got to go to the track, so we're just gonna relax, finish packing up the cars, and I'll see you at the track. Made it to B class, baby. So yeah, first time riding B class, new year, you know what it is, so let's get it. I just f***ing hit the wall.